welcome back to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take a couple minutes to tell you guys exactly what comes in the box for the products you guys are buying. Today, I got Eric again with me.
How you doing?
Eric, what'd you bring along today?
Well, I'm pretty excited. Today we've got the Sonos by Sonos 6.5-inch in-ceiling speaker.
Nice.
That's right.
It's very nice. The actual part number is In-Ceiling.
Easy to remember.
Very easy.
That's right.
We do have some magic double stick tape here. It is tape
Just
typically, but
give it a bang.
we just
One of the things I love about this is how easy the box opens.
right. Beautiful opening on the box.
That's right.
Very easy. All right, I'm going to try to get stuff out of said box and
Turn
over
it
to
over
Eric.
and shake it out.
They've got these nice little tape handles to grab. I know. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. There is two, so it does come as a pair. Good to know.
Next
move this
video,
out
we're
of the
going to
way.
start bringing a knife.
What? Oh, we didn't have a knife for the tape.
Got it. All right. So as we're unboxing, the first thing that pops out right off of the top is the cutout template here.
What's that used for?
For the cutout, Drew. Was that a intentionally obvious question there?
Sometimes it's not so obvious.
So you got some notes on here telling you to where to position it, get the cutout ready, unlock the sounds, reminds you about the TruePlay stuff, which we'll get into, I'm sure.
I hope so.
I hope so as well.
One of the main features, so I really do hope we get into it. Again, you get two cutouts, two speakers. We're going to eliminate the clutter down to one. Don't mind me dropping that. Oh, you're waiting for me to Vanna White it. This is very nice.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got our speaker here, grill and speakers in one bag. Again, amateurs, we didn't bring anything for the tape, but promise
That's not a knife, this is a knife.
we'll get a little bit better at this. I hope they edit a knife into your hand.
That would be great.
would be
I know
epic.
that's coming.
All right, you got your grill?
Thank you. I got the grill.
Ooh. Anything fancy about it that you want to talk about?
Magnetic, very strong, magnetic grill. It's got the dampener on the back of it. It's got a little flex to it too, which is nice, with the ceilings, right? So if the ceiling's a little bit uneven or whatever, with the flexible grills, it kind of matches the pitch of the ceiling there.
Yeah, that's good. I do like this in here though, just to protect the speaker for shipping and any of the processes before you guys do get it. It's got a nice little plastic see-through cover here over the woofer and the tweeter. Eric?
Yep, so as we're showing it, obviously you've got the 1-inch tweeter on here. You got a 6.5-inch woofer. It's a really great sounding speaker, which a lot of it has to do with the TruePlay capabilities on it. That's really cool. So unlike a lot of other speakers, this one allows you to easily tune it to the room. It's like a big room, got a lot of reflective surfaces. You're going to get a different tune out of it, which is nice. And for the techie guys out there, it's 130 watts max power with 89 dB sensitivity.
Something I would call out is it does have a pretty big boxing on it, right? And I think that's to help with the acoustics because TruePlay, right? So for those of you that don't know, something that Sonos has on all their speakers, their branded speakers, is TruePlay. That's kind of the big deal on this that Eric hinted at, is that TruePlay. It allows you to use your phone as a tuning microphone and go around the actual entire room, and it changes the actual acoustics of the speaker. So it takes a standard in-ceiling speaker, makes it a pretty fantastic sounding in-ceiling speaker. The other thing is, either I'm crooked. Is it angled? An angled woofer? Or am I crooked? I could be crooked.
They see me rolling, they hating.
No, it's
It
angled.
looks that it's angled?
It is angled. It is definitely angled. We're going to go with it's an angled woofer in there too, which is nice for you guys in the rooms, especially in a home theater setup. It allows you guys to get a better push of sound. So the woofer being angled is nice. Again, the tweeter's in there. Pivoting? No pivoting? Do you know?
Nope.
Nope. We're going with no.
Pivoting. Look at that.
Tweeter. There it is. Good to know these things. You do have dog ears on the back side, right? So easy installation up there with the dog ears up here. Outside of that, we definitely want to send a big thank you over to the guys at Sonos. They are raffling off this pair.
Nice.
So we will try our best not to break them before we rebox them, to put them back in the box. Remember to go ahead and leave your dealer number in the comments below. That's how we're going to do the raffle for you guys. Outside of that, Eric, any other stats or anything you want to run over through this?
I just tried to remember not to scratch my head because I didn't want any squeaking noises behind it. I just did it.
That's
oh
good.
boy.
Yeah, that's good.
Nothing else.
Sorry that we're idiots, but go ahead. Please like, subscribe. We enjoy doing this for you guys. Hopefully you guys get a kick out of it. Again, thank you to the guys at Sonos.
Appreciate it, guys.
Take care.
Take care.